Good morning, here we are on Mallorca again, Sunday morning, and here we have a 1993 FZR Genesis. Very good condition, as you can see. And a friend of mine asked me if I'd like to buy it off him. And I asked him, well, what do you want for it? And he said, would you give me £1,000? Well, after nearly breaking his arm, I had a Genesis. It's only done 46,000 Ks, which is about 30,000 miles, and is a little sweetie. Has a nice little arrow exhaust unit on it, and as you can see, smoke, not like some of it. Right, let's have a look what else we've got in the garage. Still got the scooters all over the damn place. Even got two in the house. And then we have little CV750 that we're just going to make a little coffee racer out of. This was actually given to me. The German was here in Mallorca and had a bump with it and bent all the ports, and he just left it, and it's been stood in the garage for 5 years, never been moved. Got it, cleaned it, put new plugs in, and it cracked up first time. Wants a bit of a tidy, had a bit of a bump in the tank, we got that. We put some nice little clip-ons on it, just having the ports done. New exhaust. First seat I've ever made. And when it's done, it is going to turn out, I hope, something like that. I'll keep you informed. See you later.